Yeah, Coimbatore! I'm so glad I'm here. Loving it. What's happening, people? This is Prajit here with yet another vlog, and I am at Kodaikanal right now, leaving from here for Coimbatore. Coimbatore is my mom's place. In this whole trip, if I don't go to my mom's place, it doesn't make sense, right? So yes, I'm going to my mom's place right now, and I'll be spending some time with my family, with my relatives, with my cousins and stuff. So yeah, that's the plan right now. The time is approximately 10:15, somewhere there. Yeah, 10:15, and it's around 175 to 180 kilometers from Kodaikanal, and yeah, I have a bad cough right now, so I'm not sounding that great. But yeah, I'll be leaving from here. 180 kilometers shows 4.5 hours, and that's a lot actually, because of ghats and stuff. Kodaikanal is like way on top. Going all the way downhill takes some time. So yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, quickly, I'm going to start right now, and then you can see Kodaikanal, the roads of Kodaikanal.
Oh, my little honeydew, I wish you saw you the way I do. Your voice sounds like a lullaby that makes me feel all warm inside. Oh, what is this presence in me?
Visibility इतनी कम है that I don't. Sometimes I'm trying to overtake, and मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है सामने से गाड़ी आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है. शिट, वैसे बात नहीं किया जा रहा है. इट्स सो कोल्ड. मैं बात कर रहा हूँ और सब नहीं निकल रहा है बाहर. ओह, खट्टा खट्टा खट्टा. मेरे को ना गूगल मैप्स देखना पड़ रहा है कि आगे कौन सा टर्न है. क्योंकि मुझे टर्न्स नहीं दिख रहे हैं. ये कैमरा में ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी के साथ दिख जाता है, बट नेकेड आई से थोड़ा दिक्कत रहता है. The waterfalls looks nice. I don't think anybody is allowed inside to take a shower or something. But yeah, it's good. So I just stopped in between for like 5 minutes because my friend Dhanik wanted to eat something. He didn't have breakfast in the morning. So right here around the trees and stuff, yeah, it's very beautiful over here. Please, you guys must have a look at this.
I just can't seem to fathom how sweet your words can be. Tell me, my sweet honeydew, do you feel the same way I do? 'Cause you're just so beautiful.
पानी भी है. It's a risky place, and it's super cold. Again, it was fine in between. Right now it's cold. हाथ वाथ जम गए मेरे. I'm a little scared of water. It's very slippery, you know. You might end up slipping and stuff, so better just go slow. हल्की हल्की बारिश हो रही है, और मेरा हेलमेट वाइजर में जितनी बार पोंछ रहा हूँ कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हो रहा. पूरा फॉगी हो गया है, और आँख, मतलब जब मैं खोल रहा हूँ हेलमेट का, तब इतनी ठंड है, आँख से आंसू निकल रहा है, और वो बारिश का पानी आँख पे जा रहा है. It's very difficult right now to ride. You guys might feel okayish on camera, but yeah, when you're actually experiencing it, it's different. मेरे शब्द नहीं निकल रहे ठंड के वजह से. क्या है यार, कोई भूतों का मार्केट लग रहा है मुझे वो. The situation is much better right now, but ठंड बरकरार है. ठंड थोड़ा सा कम हो जाए ना, मेरा नाक खुल जाएगा. मेरा नाक बंद है, मेरा गला खराब है, मेरे आंख से आंसू आ रहे हैं. सब कुछ एक साथ. बट हम कुछ भी हो जाए व्लॉगिंग नहीं छोड़ेंगे. व्लॉग तो हम करेंगे. Wow, look at that lake. Very beautiful. I am almost there. Almost there. Wow, the lake is so beautiful. Awesome. मैं ऑलमोस्ट नीचे आ चुका हूँ. पहाड़ के घाट्स वगैरह ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म होने वाले हैं. बस अब पोल्लाची एंड पोल्लाची से Coimbatore. I am under the hill right now, done with all the ghats and stuff. Pollachi is another hour from here. Suppose that Coimbatore will be an hour or an hour and a half from there. So 2 to 2.5 hours is the estimated time of arrival. What you see right on top of the hill is Palani temple. It's actually a very famous temple in Tamil Nadu, one of the best actually. I've been there a few years back. Supposed to be very powerful. A small screw up happened. Dhanik's bike got punctured, and we are still at Palani right now, the temple which I just showed you. Now it's gonna take some time. I'll have to wait. I'm waiting over here because Anjali is with me. The time is already 1 o'clock and I'm still at Palani. Let's see what time I reach. It's more than 1.5 hours that we are sitting here and just getting bored and stuff. Look at her. चंबल की डाकू लग रही है. Yeah, and that's the thing यार. I'm like super bored. And 1.5 घंटा हो गया दैनिक को जा करके वो प्रिपेयर कर रहा है अभी भी. अब तक रिपेयर हुआ नहीं उसका पंक्चर. बैठो और ऑप्शन क्या है. So finally the guy is here after
an hour 45 minutes.
An hour 45 minutes, yes.
It's more than an hour 45 minutes.
Almost 2 hours.
Yeah. So always keep a tube in hand and if some spare parts, because it's very necessary. You never know what you come at.
Yeah. So he's saying keep the tube, a spare tube and stuff, which he's done. Good job. These guys are my best friends. We were together in Canada, and right now, in another 50 kilometers or so, I'll have to say goodbye to them. From Pollachi, I'm going to take a right turn and go to Coimbatore. They're going to Kerala, to Thrissur. So, yeah, last half an hour to 45 minutes left with them. I'll miss you guys. Really. From the bottom of my heart, I will. I'll miss you guys.
I miss you too, man.
Shit, why does it look like it's gonna rain? No man, it's all black clouds ahead. No, no rain, please. That's the last thing I need. Man, it's raining here. Tamil Nadu, don't do that to me, please. I really don't want this. finally I have a highway where I can fly. So finally I've reached Coimbatore, and it's taking me through all the small roads possible. Google Mata ki jai, Google Mata ki jai. Meri bajao, khol khol ke bajao. But yeah, this place goes to my mama's place. I'm in this road, so but then I don't think I'll stop there. I'll straight away go to my cousin's place because I'm already late. I've not even had my lunch. Crazy. I don't know why is it raining at Coimbatore. By the way, I'm glad I'm in Coimbatore because this is the place I was where I was born. Back to Pavilion. Haha. This particular junction is called Ramnathapura Junction, and I've come here many times on a bike. Coming to this place from Mumbai is completely a different experience, and that's for the first time. This, you go inside, that one is my Mausi's place, my aunt's place, but I'm going to my cousin's place, which is like a minute from here. I'm excited to see them. So finally, after so much of pressure, right? The bike getting punctured, Dhanik's bike getting punctured. Right now, the time is 4:47, that's around 5 o'clock. And I was supposed to reach here at 2:15, maybe 2:30 approximately. I am almost 2.5 hours late. And I am right now at my cousin's place and my sweet sister's place, and there she is.
Hello.
Yes. And I'm here right now, finally.
Finally.
So yeah, that's where it is. And yes, I would always ask you guys to do this, which is subscribe to my channel, Mining Miles. And I end the video right here. The trip is still left, so I'll be going ahead maybe from here to Goa. I've not really planned the next two days is the time I'm going to think about how to actually go about it. Anyway, cheers. Love you guys.